hallway. Here it is. And look at that left wing. This one looks like the 5 and 6 keys. See if it does this. I don't even know if those buttons did anything. And the door closes slow. Aw, it didn't do anything. Last time I did that when I was not filming though, the fan turned off and the door didn't close all the way. That was really weird. It's a weird handle for the phone. Oh, the phone is screwed shut. That's why I couldn't get it open. The door is slow. So those are 5 and 6 keys. That door is so slow. Yeah, this is a hydraulic. Let's see if it overlaps again. Yeah. Now watch it reload. Look at that phone screwed shut. Another interesting thing. Look at how far the buttons are from the actual elevator. Looks like they might have wanted to put 2 in, but didn't have enough space.